my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to Mercy Really Our Styles channel. I hope you guys doing well. In today's video, guys, I'm going to change my home, and guys, it has been a while since I have the white rug, so today is the day for me to remove a lot of things. So this mirror has to go because it's more than a year now. Usually I don't keep my things for a long time, and this rug, whenever I have a rug in, before I remove it, I always vacuum. So this one, I'm going to wash it in the laundromat. I don't know where it's at, but that's what I'm going to do because it's a new area. I never go to the laundromat, so I don't know, but I'm gonna find out where there is one so I can wash my rug. So don't get me wrong, it's a big rug, so I don't like to wash it in my washer, but it's the best way for me to do. And guys, as you can see, I'm removing everything because I want to change couple things and then just to make the house like new. And yeah, so that's the plan for today. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys like the way I'm changing my home. I'm going to add some colors, but not now. I'm waiting when we are in deep spring going to summer, so that's the time I'm going to add some heavy colors, not too heavy like flowers and other pillows, but for now I want to keep it a bit neutral, not too much color. So guys, this is the plan for the video today, and I'm removing everything. Just fold the rug and just put it in the storage bag, and after that I'm going to find my way out to find a laundry mat just to wash it, so to keep it till December. I don't know if I'm going to do white rug again for this holiday season, but I always bring it back during holiday season, so we will see. It's too soon to tell. Alright guys, I don't know, a lot of people may not like those kind of rug, but me, I like them. Why? Because it's easy for me to wash, because I have so many rug in the past, but once they get dirty, it's so not easy for me to clean. So I ordered those ones, and then I just put them in the washer, and then I'm good to go. And I save it for next time, put them in bags. So that's what I like. And guys, this to clean the floor, I'm going to use the SENMO or SENMO. I don't know. I'm going to leave the name for you. I'm not too good in pronunciation, so bear with me, okay? Listen over to me, this steam mop. It's a 14-in-1. So guys, if you need to clean your grout, your wall, your hardwood floor, your tiles, whatever you need, you can use up to 14 functions. So guys, as you can see inside the box, guys, I'm doing a quick unboxing to show you everything that is inside the box. And guys, it's a 1300 watt up to 228 degree Fahrenheit deep cleaning. Guys, it's a multi-purpose. You can use it, like I said, to almost everywhere: your tile, your floor, your grout, furnitures, carpet, anything that you need. Gonna kill bacteria. Guys, I don't play with my steam cleaner because I have a special needs son, so cleaning is a must. My son, most of the time, if he's eating something, the food fall on the floor, he's going to eat it. So it's my job to make sure the floor always clean. I have a no shoes policy inside my home. So yes, so I'm telling you guys about me. You don't need to have a special need or any type of need to have a steam clean at your home. Not only is gonna kill the unwanted bacteria, gonna make your home smell nice, it's gonna be chemical free and a lot of good stuff, good for your health, and it's gonna help you in the long run. Super fast heat up, 20 to 30 seconds. And guys, as you can see, all the parts that comes with it, that's gonna help you work faster and efficiently. Guys, I really like it. So the link will be in the description box down below. If something like that interests you guys, you can use it. You can detachable, use it short if you want to clean other part, or you can use it with the handle to clean the floor. The possibility is endless. Like I said, it's 14 function, but today I'm going to use only to clean the floor. So guys, as you can see, all the part that come with it, but the only thing that I think it would be better if they could do extra pad. It's only come with one pad, so that's the only downfall that I don't really like. But other than that, guys, everything about it is so good. So guys, the link will be in the description box down below. Feel free to check it if something like that interests you. It's super easy to switch between steam mop, the floor, and powerful handle clean for home, kitchen, bathroom, windows, all the things that you want, guys, your chairs, everything. So it's super easy, effortless to change. And as you can see, putting together is a breeze. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. And guys, if you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. The steamer heat up very fast, 20 to 30 seconds. As you can see, the steam, it's very good, so it will kill all the unwanted bacteria, keep your home chemical free, so whatever you need. So guys, 14 functions. So I'm going to leave the link for you, so if that interests you, feel free to check them out. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment je décore ma maison pour le printemps. Si vous aimez, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire en français. Ça me fait un très grand plaisir. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime. That's the way the pad is after cleaning outside of the living room. So yes, so you need something like that. So make sure to check the link in the description box down below. Now I'm moving the sofa to the other side. That's the way I clean, because I steam up, clean a side first, then I move to the other side just to clean everything so I don't left nothing undone. Okay guys, so I love this sofa so much, guys. So the link will be in the description box down below. Everything in my video, I'll try my best to leave them in the description box down below for you guys. So yes, I'm going to clean the other side and remove the mirror and then just do all the good stuff. I have several people that told me I didn't put any wall art in the living room. So this is the time right now I'm putting some wall art to please you guys. Okay, so I really love this wall art. I have it for quite time and I'm putting back to life again. And guys, as I mentioned previously, I love those type of rugs. They're not for everyone, but me, I love them because they are washable and they lightweight, so it's easy for me to wash them and store them for the next time. The other rugs that I used to have before, they are so difficult to wash and difficult to store, so you have to hold them and then to keep them upright. Sometimes if you don't have the thing to put inside of them, it's gonna be it's chaos. So this one, those type, it's better, they are better for me, so I like them better than the previous one for the price that I'm paying, and the quality is okay for me. Like I said, it may not for everybody, but for me, I love them because, honey, I'm changing my home often, so this is the way for me to make my home look luxurious while I'm on the budget. Okay guys, the size of the rug is a 9 by 12, so it's quite large for my living space. And guys, as I mentioned, the bottom of this rug is a rubber. It's slip proof, so once you put it on the floor, it's not gonna go nowhere. This is another thing that I like about it. So guys, I'll do my best to leave everything that I'm using in the video in the description box down below. If anything interests you, feel free to check them out.
When there's no one to blame, I'm not letting it fade. So don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got good things coming.
As I mentioned earlier guys, the bottom of the rug, so it's slip proof. I like it. Once it's on the floor, it's not gonna go nowhere, so that's a plus for me. The price and the material, it's okay for me. This is the finished look. Let me know down below, what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And guys, I'm showing you when the light turn on and when the light turn off. Majority of the time, the light always turn off. And guys, I really love the way my home is. And as you can see, I have some black, some silver, some gold going on. Everything coordinate together, make my home look so nice. You cannot have a beautiful home without smelling good. This one can do the trick, guys. And I'm telling you, it will last for 3 months. Once you put the oil on it, 3 months stop. And guys, this is my DIY on Etsy. Those type of floor arrangement, they're like $300, 400 up to 1,000. But guys, this one I was able to make it for $30 only. And guys, I had it for like 3 years. Both floor arrangement are my DIY, guys. I love them. They're really nice, and I love how my living room turns out. So let me know down below, leave me a comment, let me know if that's something you would recreate at your home, guys. So I really love everything about it. So this is the way it is right now. I'm going to change it again in couple days or weeks, but right now that's the way it is. So adding some flowers at the later time, other colors, but right now that's the way I'm gonna keep it until everything is done. Alright guys, so I'm going to let you enjoy the video. I hope you guys like it, and make sure to leave me a comment if you like everything about it like I do. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Sur la première fois, moi je te bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci, s'il vous plaît guys. pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Et si pas la première fois tout, moi je vous merci en pile pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo, moi j'aime nous. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's the end of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.